Hello, in this jQuery video I am going to show you how to set up jQuery on a Linux based machine such as Ubuntu. So a couple of things you'll need access to is a web browser. Any web browser will be fine. A little bit of code that I've already created and I'm going to show you what it does in a second, and a text editor. I'm going to be using Sublime. That's my recommended one. And let's just add this to Sublime. Okay, so let's take a look at what we already have inside. And what I'm actually going to do, go to Preferences, Settings, and change the font size a bit. Change to like 20. Oh, no, custom settings are here, my bad. Okay, so font underscore size colon 20. Okay, that is fine. It's going to make it a little easy to read. So there's two files that we've got, an index file, and this is the most basic index file that you can think of. It's got the HTML doc type, the HTML body, head tag, which just has a link to an empty JavaScript, just as the use strict tag. But apart from that, that's it. And I'm just going to show you from this how to set up jQuery. Okay, so if we open up our web browser, and once that launches up, literally just go to start new session, go to jQuery, and just go to jQuery.com. So there's a few different ways that we can set it up. Let me show you. So if I go to download, from here you can either download one of the files, compressed, uncompressed. I'm actually going to explain that in a separate video what all of that means. So you can either download the file and link it locally. You can either set it up using a package manager such as Yarn or npm, and the other route is to use a CDN. I'm going to use the CDN route, which is a content delivery network, which just hosts the files, and depending on what server that's the nearest and can get you the file fastest to you, you'll use that server. So just go to this little link right here, code.jQuery.com, and then from here, just select the latest version, which as of making this video is 3.3.1, and then you can either go for uncompressed, minified, slim, or minified. I'm going to go for uncompressed, so just click which version you want, and then from here, just copy this little bit of code, copy that, and go to your text editor, and now just paste it here. It's important that you paste it before your general JavaScript, because that's where you would be accessing all of this jQuery from. So just make sure it is just before the JavaScript file or any other script tags, generally speaking. So if I save that now, and I will open this in a web browser. So if I go to desktop, jQuery, just double click this, it should open it up, and it's opened it up. Let's inspect the element or inspect the page, make sure there are no errors. And what is this error? The character encoding of the HTML was not declared. Okay, that's nothing to do with the jQuery stuff, so that does not matter. You can declare that if you want, but that's nothing to do with what we want. And then we could go to inspector and see that it has the file right here. So that's all linked up now, and this was just a quick setup video on how to set up jQuery on a Linux based machine. If you're interested on other systems, feel free to take a look at those videos, and I look forward to seeing you in the next jQuery video.